What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my garage. It's gonna be a garage tour today. There's a lot going on in this tiny little garage. As you can see, it is full. This is unfortunately where I have to work. It is disturbing, I will admit that. But literally, I have nowhere else to go. And I got quite a few projects going on in a really tiny space. So, here's what your toolbox is not supposed to look like. So no pro tips here. We've got unorganized and unorganized and some more unorganized. It is a disaster right now. I'm literally tearing apart my drift car, so that's why things are like this. So let's see, do we have a light? No, we do not. Let's go get one. This is the E46 ZHP with a s54 swap. So if you don't know what that means, it's a cheap BMW with an M3 engine in it. Yeah, ZHP Mafia. So it has been definitely stripped. Full cage, done by Chris Wilson, Willie's son on Instagram. Beautiful job, painted too. Red, black on the outside, just the way I like it. This is all the Vano stuff right here because the engine is currently being rebuilt and I am stripping all the wires. So, NRG seats. This is where Brandy sits. That's where I sit. I got quick release steering wheel, chase sprays, everything. FDF angle kit. Stickers, yeah. It's dirty. Go figure. So the rear end is actually really dope. Right now all the bars are out, so it's just a big square. But there are like little push bars in there that Chris did. The custom battery holder from TMR, really dope. Beautiful job back here. That is all rubber from tires. If you're wondering why it's so dirty, it's all tire rubber. Wonderful. Let's keep going up to the front of the garage. That's where I paint stuff. That's the turbo for a Cummins 12-valve engine and a bunch of 12-valve parts down there. 12-valve engine is in the back here. And here's another spot. We got oil and the disaster. It's totally a disaster. Like, holy cow. Anyway, here's the piece de resistance. My S54 engine. Super greasy. Super duper greasy. So, cleaning it up. I'll get it all cleaned for the next season. It had a bunch of oil everywhere. It was a disaster. Like, disaster. Let's see, how do these pistons look? The pistons were pretty black, too. Yeah. Whoop. Black. Black. A little bit funny, too, wearing on the sides here. Meh. Whatever. We go send it into the machine shop and see what they say. Because I am not a machine shop person. So... here we've got the head for the 12-valve. That is the 12-valve right there. Cummins engine. We're going to be putting it into the Ford F350 because I have a Ford 6.4. And if you know anything about a Ford 6.4, you know that they are the suck of the world. That's P-pump, pistons, and everything for the 12-valve. This is all parts for my S54, front wheels. I mean, it's a disaster in here. Look at all this stuff everywhere. Oh, my goodness gracious. Where do I even work? How do I work in here? Look, there's a head gasket. Don't worry. I will get it done. As you can see, I've taken the engine out, taken the transmission. Everything is painted, even down in the trans tunnel. Look at that. Oh, bam, bam, bam. Ooh, it's pretty. Love it. Again, most of this done by Chris Wilson and his dad. They did the reinforcements at the front, strut tire reinforcements. Again, I painted all this myself, though. These are the FDF tie rods. I already broke one. I'm really good at breaking stuff. FDF control arms and everything like that. FDF makes a really good angle kit. HSD coilovers, should have got BCs. 100%. HSD, BCs. Damn. Live and learn though, right? Live and learn. Well, I don't know what happened there, but hey, camera shut down. Got to start all over again. Anyway, yeah, sheesh, black, front subframe, black steering rack, red. I don't know, I know the black and the red is played out, but it looks good and the car came black and hey, can't go wrong. Maybe it was HSD getting all upset because I was bitching about how crappy their coilovers were. That's what happened to the video. Transmission. Woo! 6-speed BMW ZF. It's pretty. Painted myself. power steering pump, all that stuff. Anyway, that's basically the ZHP S54 swap car. I've done most of the work myself. I have built this engine here myself. We're going to be doing a bunch of build stuff on it, try to keep you in the loop, post videos on the car and the garden. And hey, I got tarantulas and snakes and a tegu and a Savannah monitor. We can post all that stuff too. Lots of stuff is always going on. We're lighting off fireworks, dirt biking, always getting in trouble. Trouble is my middle name. Also doing all the wiring in the car. I don't know if you've ever had a race car, but you got to strip all the wires. There's so much wire in here. Like, look at all just junk. Most of it will be gone. I'm going to wire it down to the bare minimum. Yes, this engine came with ARP studs. I put them in myself. So ARP studs and forged pistons, forged rods. You know, it's a good engine. I mean, I redline it all the time. The timing was even off big time all year, and I still sent it. Didn't even know till I just took it apart now. So still running S54. Yes, they are expensive. You know, it could have been a 2J, but I'd rather be different. So rolling with the S54. That's basically all I got for the we're not even in the garden. The garage update. I know it's a mess. I know, but I got nowhere else to do it. Go ahead, comment below. Tell me everything's a mess. Tell me how to clean it up. You're the boss. Till then, peace out. Cannabis love.